दो।
खंड चंद्र ग्रहण शुक्ल श्रवण पूर्णिमा विन सन 2036 शनिवार से रविवार तक 16 अगस्त से 17 अगस्त तक 2008 ईसा पश्चात वॉटेवर को लगने वाला खंड चंद्र ग्रहण भारत में पूर्ण रूप से दिखाई देगा। ग्रहण का समय है, प्रारंभ होता है रात्रि 1 बजे से लेके सुबह के 6 बजे तक। मध्य रात्रि में 2 बजे जो चंद्रमा का जो मध्य भाग है वो रात्रि के 2 बजे 40 मिनट पर होता है और मोक्ष होता है ग्रहण से रात्रि में 1:15 पर। इस ग्रहण का सूतक ग्रहण इस ग्रहण का सूतक ग्रहण प्रारंभ एक घंटे पूर्व 16 अगस्त 2008 ईसा को होता है और दिन में 4-6 बजे तक प्रारंभ हो जाएगा। ग्रहण के कृत्य आकृत्य ग्रहण के सूतक तथा ग्रहण काल में स्नान दान जप पाठ भजन कीर्तन मंत्र अनुष्ठान एवं तीर्थ स्थान ध्यान हवन आदि जैसे शुभ कृत्यों को संपादन करने का कल्याणकारी होता है। My Hindi is really bad.
That's even awesome, man. I really love to hear Hindi from the South Indian people, especially Tamil and Malayalam people. बोल Tamil में बोल।
Tamil में?
Tamil में नहीं। If you can, translate on the fly, it's okay.
I can't.
Okay, then make it Hindi.
ग्रहण के सूतक तथा ग्रहण काल में देव मूर्ति स्पर्श शयन मैथुन अनावश्यक खाना पीना तेल व उबटन लगाना झूठ बोलना वृथा प्रलाप इत्यादि नहीं करना चाहिए।
Otherwise it's okay.
So it's all right naturally.
बोलना भी okay.
That's all right. Otherwise it's all right.
So Samir fans because of that.
Yes, of course.
चाय भी नहीं पीता।
मूल मंत्र विसर्जन भी परहेज करना चाहिए।
क्या करना चाहिए?
Shit.
सॉरी मूल मूत्र विसर्जन मूल मतलब मल मूत्र शिट मैन
Don't shit.
यस शिट एंड पिस यू कांट डू इट।
That's funny.
ग्रहण किसी को भी नहीं दिखाई ग्रहण
किसी को भी
नहीं देखना चाहिए। ग्रहण जहां दिखाई न पड़े वहां ग्रहण संबंधी कार्य करना आवश्यक नहीं है। बाकी जो है गुरु एवं शुक्र के अस्त में वर्जित कार्य गुरु व शुक्र अस्त बाल तथा वृद्ध रहने पर गृहारंभ गृह प्रवेश वृतारंभ वृतोध्यापन प्रथम उपाकर्म चौल यानी मुंडन उपनयन विवाह अपूर्व देवतीर्थ दर्शन संन्यास अभिषेक समावर्तन चतुर्मास्य यज्ञ कर्णावेद विद्यारंभ देव स्थापन बगीचा कुआं बावली इत्यादि के प्रारंभ नहीं करना चाहिए। That is it.
Translate into either Hindi or English.
Oh well, it basically means that from 1 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock there is Grahan. That is lunar eclipse, and you are not supposed to have a bath. You can't give money to or do any kind of dan, any kind of philanthropy. You can't do japa.
What japa?
Oh, sorry. You can. All these are the only things you can do. You cannot. The stuff you can do is this. You can have your bath. You can do philanthropy. You can do jap. You can do chanting of anything, any deity. Part and reading of any texts,
verse or something. Yeah.
Reading of scriptures, bhajan kirtan, or memorizing, singing, or whatever.
So what the hell will the people in the West do?
There are quite a few people who now follow it. Okay, now we'll come back to it later. Mantra Anushtan. So there is a much more lengthier ceremonial process of doing the same thing. Tirthasthan, going around for heaven, spiritual places. Or
so what can't we do now?
Okay, what can't you do? And meditation and Havan is all recommended. These are all the good things which you can do at that bad time. During this time, or the stuff you cannot do. You cannot touch deity. You cannot. What is Shayan? Anyways.
What?
Shayan is like pleasure.
Yeah, pleasure.
Shayan,
Yeah, Maithun is sex.
Shayan is pleasure as in you can.
Maithun is any form of sex. Any form of sex is Maithun. And don't have sex. Anavashyak khana pina. Anything unnecessary eating.
What is unnecessary eating?
Eating is necessary. What is unnecessary eating?
If you're overeating or eating.
Oh God.
Eating. Wait, and tel wa ubatan lagana. Yeah, that is doing having a massage, hair massage, oil massage.
Oil greasing.
Yeah, oil greasing. And jhoot bolna is also not allowed. That is, you can't lie at that period of time.
So ask Samir about something which he cannot lie.
No, that starts at 1 o'clock at night now.
Oh, it's not yet started.
Liar.
Ratri mein 1 baje, so we're pretty much free now. The whole day you can eat actually. So
What?
Grahan hai na, so he's telling
What
about
Grahan?
it started early in the morning and finished at 6 o'clock. So there's no problem at all.
There is no
Already
problem.
हम अगर भूखा बैठा
हाँ, seriously man.
तू मैं नहीं मैं तो I'm fine.
Surya Grahan tha kya?
नहीं, चंद्र ग्रहण था.
Who cares? It's the day, yaar.
Now, if someone asks details, I'm giving them exact and complete details.
Then we're going to do a vidcast.
Okay.
So this is a clear information about what all you can do during this kind of important period of the year. Especially this year when you had two eclipses, right?
Yeah.
We had two lunar eclipses this year. 2 lunar eclipses and a solar eclipse. And and you cannot postpone things during Grahan.
मतलब
You cannot वृथा प्रलाप नहीं कर सकते.
करना नहीं चाहिए फिर भी पोस्टपोन नहीं करना चाहिए. वो सब क्या है यार? It's confusing.
Like
It's
if you want to
contradictory.
shit, you can't shit and you can't postpone it.
Yes.
So you can't. It's contradictory. Okay, yeah. Not